So here you can, let's do 700 times $92,000. 64.4 million naira is what this guy has made from data entry. Hi, I'm Seven Figure Boss. In this video, I'll teach you how you can start making money online doing data entry jobs. Not just that, if you watch this video to the end, I'll not only teach you how you can start making money online doing data entry jobs, I'll also teach you where you can learn data entry skill for free so that you can start making 7 figures. Yes, I'll show you places that you'll get the jobs, unlimited jobs, and also show you where you can learn the skills so that you can start making money. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer. Before we get started, let's quickly look at the job description of a data entry professional so that it can form a foundation for us. Because if we understand the job description of a data entry professional, it will help you understand the job and deliver optimally. Let's get right into it. So a data entry clerk is a professional responsible for transferring paper formats into computer files or database systems. They handle typing in customer information provided directly into an electronic format, creating spreadsheets with large number of figures. So now that we have seen the job description of data entry professional, let me also show you how much data entry professionals make on a daily basis, weekly basis, and a monthly basis. So it can help motivate you to watch this video to the end so that you can learn everything you need to know about these data entry jobs and start making money with it right away. So here is Fiverr.com. I want to prove to you guys that there's a lot of demand for data entry professionals. So here you can see that there is a lot of demand for data entry jobs. How do I know that? Look at the job ordered on each and every one of these service providers gig. So you can see here, this one is 239 orders processed. This one is 646 orders processed. This one is 123. This one is 113, and on and on. So this one has done over 1,000 plus. So let's quickly look at his gig description and let me give you a quick idea of how much you can make from data entry. So this guy has done 2,300 orders and 9 orders in queue. Can you beat that? So this proves to us that data entry jobs are in high demand, guys. So you have to take this seriously. You have to implement. So let me quickly pull up my calculator and show you guys how much this guy has made from doing data entry jobs alone. So here you can see his basic gig is $20 and then standard gig is $40. Premium is $80. So let's assume that this 2,300 is the standard gig. Okay, let's just do, plus or minus and just leave it at the middle. 40 times 2,300. This is excluding the order in queue. Okay, then we'll check. $92,000. $92,000 is what this guy is making from the comfort of his home, and this is just the jobs he's getting from Fiverr. There are other platforms I'm going to show you where you can get data entry jobs. So if you include those ones, he might be making up to $200,000. So if you're a Nigerian like me, let's convert this $92,000 to Naira and see how much this guy has made from just data entry on Fiverr. So here you can, let's do 700 times $92,000. 64.4 million naira is what this guy has made from data entry. So Fiverr is one of the places you can get unlimited data entry jobs. Maybe sometime in future I'll make a video teaching you guys how you can start getting jobs immediately as a new service provider on Fiverr. Yes, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Fiverr account now and start getting orders immediately. If this is something that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I create videos like this, especially when I create that video. Okay, so and also for you to do these jobs you need a PayPal account, which I have done that video in the past. I need you to watch that video because that video, if you watch it and create your PayPal account, there is nothing. That will be the last PayPal account you create. Is fail proof. It will not stop working. In the video I shared how you can avoid all those pitfalls, and I'm also going to offer you an assistance in case for any reason in future you have a problem with your account. I will help you and sort that out. So that is why I'm saying you will not have any problem with your PayPal account that you create. Now if you want to watch that, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can watch it and then create your own account. account before you can start applying for data entry jobs. So the next place to get data entry jobs is SEOclark.com. So if you go to their data entry marketplace, you'll see that there are not much service providers, data entry service providers. You can see this is showing page 1 of 1 for data entry. So you can see this is just all they have. So you stand a very big chance of getting multiple jobs on this platform once you sign up. And to sign up is quite easy. Once you click on join, you put your username, put your email, put your password, put your another password, and then continue. It's going to send you an email to confirm the email, and then you can now create your gig just the same way you create your gig on Fiverr. In future as well, I'm going to be doing a dedicated review on this platform and show you guys what I've been doing with it and how much I've made from it. Another platform where you can get data entry job is remotetax.com. So here is remotetax.com. Earn in USD doing online tasks from home. Join our community of over 240,000 taskers starting today. I've done a video on this platform in the past. I will also include the link in the description box so that you can go through it and learn about it. Learn how you can do tasks with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. Complete tasks, work on tasks from projects you've unlocked, get paid in USD weekly, get paid fast via PayPal or ATM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. So remember what I told you guys, that you'll be needing PayPal account for this job. So if you live in a country where PayPal don't work, please go to the description box after watching this video so you can learn how you can create a working PayPal account. Pardon me to quickly add this. If this video has been helpful so far, please kindly like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. Thank you. Getting started is easy. Just click on start earning today, and then it takes you to a place where you're going to sign up. Come here, click on sign up. You can sign up with either your Facebook or your Google account. Here you can see why remote tasks, consistent work, get paid often, earn a living. While working from home, remote taskers have earned over 15 million USD from home. So this could be, you could be part of these people that have earned 15 million USD. If you start today, you start earning small, and then before you know it, you're up to 7 figures. So let's move over to the next platform where you can get data entry jobs. So another platform where you can get data entry jobs is Upwork.com. I'm sure most of you already know about the platform, but in case you don't know about Upwork, Upwork is simply a place where people from all around the world come to hire people to do different jobs for them. Which one of them is data entry? So here, if you go to data entry, you will see that this one is expert in data entry plus data collection. You can see he's charging $7 per hour, $30,000 earned. This one is charging $6 per hour, $10,000 earned. I'm already working on a video on Upwork, how you can sign up from any country that you are in. Even if it's restricted in your country, you can be able to sign in and have your account working and start making money. So the next place you can get data entry jobs is on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, even on YouTube. You can start teaching people data entry jobs, and you start getting offers for people for you to do data entries for them, and you can start making money. So you don't even need to rely on other platforms. You can start teaching data entry. That's after you've learned and you are now an expert. You can start teaching everything that is related to data entry. From there, you can start getting people to hire you to do their data entry jobs. Okay, so it's an amazing way for you to get massive job, and this one is going to be on your terms. You're not going to be giving any share to any platform because they got the job for you. This one, they are coming directly to you. So it's an amazing way for you to also get data entry jobs. Then if you go on Instagram and Facebook, you can create an account for data entry, or you can use your old page and then optimize it for data entries and let your friends and family know that you now offer data entry services, and you can start making money immediately from there. You can even decide to run ads on Facebook and Instagram so that you can get customers faster. And remember, this time is on your own terms, your own pricing, your own terms, your own time, your everything. So you don't have to rely on those platforms. Although those platforms will also bring you jobs like the ones that we have seen, people that have done 2,000 jobs, 1,000 jobs. You will also be getting jobs from other platforms, and then you will also be getting jobs on social media, and you can also get jobs offline. Okay, in the beginning of this video, I promised you that I would show you where you can learn data entry skills so that you can start making money as a data entry professional. The major platform that I use for data entry jobs is Microsoft Excel. That is spreadsheet, as some people will call it. So if you learn how to use Microsoft Excel, or if you have that skill already, you are going to succeed as a data entry professional. So let me show you guys where you can learn the data entry skill and start making money for yourself. Here is trumpexcel.com. You can see learn Excel the smart way. Click below to get your free 51 Excel tips ebook. Here you can see Excel basic to advanced training, Excel dashboard training, Excel VBA training, Excel Power Query training. So all these trainings are completely free. So here you can learn everything you need to know about data entry, because once you learn this, you have become an expert in data entry, because this is the major thing you need for data entry. This is the major tool you need to have in your arsenal for data entry. And for those of you that might ask if they can do it with their phone, unfortunately, it will be very difficult for you to achieve this with your phone. So you'll be needing a computer to do that, either a desktop or a laptop. Anyone will work. Okay, so if you don't have a laptop or a computer, see if you can get from your neighbor or your friend or your family members, so that you can start implementing immediately. And then when you start making money, you can then buy a befitting laptop or computer for yourself. So thank you very much for watching. Please click here so that you can learn how you can open a PayPal account that is going to work for you forever. Even if it stops working, I'm going to tell you how you can fix it so you can start using it back again, as long as you don't commit any crime or do something bad that will make them lock it. But if they just locked it because you created it from another country, don't worry, I'll help you fix that. Yeah, I got you. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the other side.